Can you tell us a bit about your students?
The number one thing I'll say, our students will meet expectations wherever we set them. You set the expectations high, our kids will meet them. You set them low, our kids will meet those too. And if you set them somewhere in between or don't have any expectations, they'll meet those too. We want to set high expectations for our kids. From a demographic standpoint, we're in rural southeastern Indiana. We actually identify with the Cincinnati market. We have a heavy manufacturing, heavy healthcare. We have a growing logistics hub here. Agriculture. We have two international companies that are headquartered here. And then we have evolving community partnerships in this small little rural community in Southeast Indiana. We've got a lot of different factors in our demographics, and it is a very supportive community of the school system. The people here will talk about the school system as one of the primary, if not the primary recruiting tool. They simply expect one thing from us is to produce and continue to produce a quality education environment. At the same time, they want to support a growing school system that produces quality outcomes for their kids.